Yeah. Look what Abby has. Look, let's do it outside. Snow. But we are the RC Sailors. Huh? Into the wind, which is very easy to see. Not with the wind, but into it. Yes. There's not a lot right now though, so yeah, you'll do fine. You'll be fine. Can you see the fly and everything? Okay. Now we didn't do a formal video intro. I suppose you clumsily setting the plane down will work. You can stand wherever since we're the only ones out here to fly. Now you got a really bad, it's a cross breeze, you see. So taking off, you want to kind of get in the air quickly and nose into the wind. So it's going to go to its right and take off. Are you ready? Ready? It's what you can do it. You got this. So, throttle down. Let me help you out. That's better. Yes. You're in the air! Good job! Nice! Nicely done. Good takeoff. Very fast. You know what you're doing. And there it is. Abby Sensei in the air. Really far away. Zooming in here. There's zoom on your phone. Oh, you're high. Bring it in closer. We can't even see it. What are you doing?
Flying.
This is epic with the sun behind you. This is like money maker shot right here. Look at this shot, guys.
Here's the plane.
There it is.
We got the elevator section high trimmed up.
It's hard to come down.
Yeah.
Let's see. There. Zoom. Okay, you're doing fine. I see you. Focus. Pretty far away. I was going to focus on you right
I fly.
now. Bring it in closer.
I've been working on it since I got there.
Like a practice landing. I think you're going to have to do it like from the angle out there, facing us. That's how you're going to have to do it. Perfectly facing
You
us.
realize I have to fly an elevator all the way down.
That's okay. See, you're basically stalling right there, so landing should be very easy in this wind. There she is. You guys can see her now. There's Abby. I'll zoom in for you. Good job. So you definitely don't want to land this time. You're so close. But that was good. Nice. And back to Abby. Oh, okay, I see you. Yeah, that's a good approach. Now give it a little throttle because you got some wind, and it definitely can't fight in that wind. Okay, all right, she's far away, but I'll zoom in for you guys here. There she is.
The wind is pushing it up.
Yeah, it's all right. You'll get it down. Push back down. This is just an approach. I think you're too high. You have to come in a little lower next time. You could maybe. You got this. Yeah. You can do this thing. You just gotta nice and easy because the ground is hard. You got it. You got it. Nice. Good job. Okay, there's the Sensei in the winter. Flight stabilization with the wind.
20-degree weather.
Abby did a good job. Give him one more takeoff for the road. You can do it.
I gotta land it.
Go, 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 go. I'm getting a phone call. Perfect timing. Thanks a lot for watching, everyone. We'll see you in the next video. Tell Abby she did a good